Welcome to this YouTube channel, and today I want to show you how you may extract data from Google Form and clean it up. So here we're going to show you how to extract data from Google Form, and then after doing that we'll clean it up and code it. So we'll do three things here right now. So proceed to this place. See this icon here, view in Excel, view in Sheets. Just click on it. The moment you do, you will see it right here to appear right here. So we have this here. So this actually was what was from your Google Form. See that here, form responses. Alright, so okay, so but we're not working on it here. This is still via Google Doc. I think this is Google Doc, so we'll not be working on it here. We're going to download it into the laptop or your desktop device. So you come to this place, file, click download. So you download it via Microsoft Excel. So you click on this. When I've done that, you're going to see it will come right here. So this is it right here. So we click on it here, and then this will appear. So you have your form, your data here. So you're going to quickly clean it up. You see some spaces here, and these spaces here will be cleaned up so that you can have a clean up data for your analysis. Alright, so we're going to show you how to do cleanup of data right here. So stay in with us, and we're going to start, and I will show you the easiest way of doing cleanup via Excel. The easiest way I will show you right here. Okay, this is 5-point Likert a survey, and we have demographic data here. So we're going to follow it one after the other. Already we have removed this column of there's the timestamp here. We've removed it. So I'm still going to delete that. So I removed it. So let's see. Can delete column. Right, here we go. So if you see right here, you see that before we start coding, there are spaces, there are empty spaces. We're going to quickly do something there. So what do we do? What we do here is that we clean it up. You can just add blank. Right. So you just say blank where there's empty, where there's emptiness there. So just put blank there. Just put neutral there, because no response there, so put neutral there. Okay, so when I show everything is okay and fine, there's no empty space here, especially in the Belica scale data. So can I come here, look again, everything is okay. Alright, so it can begin the coding now. Good. Now, so what to do the coding effectively, you need to come back to this place, come back to this place. So you come back to the questions. So so to begin with, we start with the demographics. So demographics, you see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we can begin this with this one. This one is 1, just this one as 1. 18 to, just copy it here, 18 to 25. This one. So come back to this place. Okay, just remove this. That's, don't save. So come back to this. So what you do here. So this is how to code via Excel in a very efficient way. Now, like I told you, you just come to this place. For instance, I want to start with demographics and age right here. So what you do is you copy it and you come back to Excel here. So you come here and do Control H. Control H is find what? Find this and replace it what? Replace it with 1. So we are coding the, remember we said we are starting with here now from 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 18 to 25 will be 1. So replace it with what? With 1. So replace all. Okay, what we see here is that there's the one that fell in that category here. So in all of this now, so there's none here that has that. So may go on with the second one here. Let's pick this one, 26 to 13. So come here. Yeah. All done. We made 9 replacements. Great. Alright, so you come here. So you pick the other one. Come again. Replace with 3. Yeah. All done. 14 replacements. Great. Come again. Okay, so come here again here, pick it up, come here. Wait a moment. We'll pick another one. You come here. Come here. Come here. 10 replacements. Continue. Come here. Take this. So 5. Do it like this until the last one. You continue like this until the last one. So here is the last one here. Here is the last one. Alright, so we are done with the age now. If you look here, you see there's no age anymore. So we go to the second one. The age is totally coded. So you go to second one here. The second one is what? Something just missing, but then there's something that we should have done. Alright, let me just go. So go to your downloads here. Pick this download here, copy it, and paste again. Okay. Go back. Alright. What I want to do is that I want to just save this first. Alright, so you save that up. Just to have a backup, alright? Okay, so you have this here. So just copy it and paste somewhere. Paste somewhere here. So you come back and continue. So just go forward, redo it. So here we are. Why that duplicates is to keep it so that during the time of analysis you can actually have access to the whole thing there, what you have, the form, the data that you have curated, that is cleaned up. Alright, so let's go to the second demographic now, gender. So replace all male, just say male now, just male with 1 here, 74 replaced. Then females, female with 2. We are going to okay. Oh, something you're gonna do here. Take note in coding with this method. Be careful. There is something now here. Like in the case of male and female, always first code for female. If you code for male only first, it's going to cut away male from the female. Did you see that? We just experienced that right now. So what do you do first? You do what? You first code female. What do you code it with? You replace it with 2. Female. They come. Just refresh. Oh, done 34 replacements. Sorry, yeah. Then you now go ahead to do mail. Right. Replace with what? With 1. Forwarding. Done. So isn't that easy? Alright. Come here on the graduate. So you just pick one here. Come back to this place so you can know what you are doing. So you are here at the educational level, so you pick undergraduate as 1. So do Control H, so paste undergraduate here, replace only 1 as an undergraduate. Alright, so you pick this one up, you come go to front here, graduate, but it's important that you don't do graduate first, because you see postgraduate here, so it's going to be difficult for you. So pick this one first and do. Remember what we did in that female and male. So you first did female first before male, because it would cut away male when you first do male. Do you understand that? So you come here, do this first, code it with 3. Alright, all taken. 65. So you have graduate now, code it 2, graduate 2, replace her. So you come to this one here as occupation. So civil servant, pick civil servant here as first. Control H, civil servant 1. So continue. Continue the same procedure. Public servant 2. Then the next one is what? Technology expert. policy practitioner. Should be 4, right? Yeah, 4. So 1. Alright, so go to the next one. Policy researcher. 5. Alright, so you go to the next one. Years of experience. Okay, meanwhile, we have others here. We have clergy. We have a blank here. We have let's say that we're going to let's say clergy should be what? Clergy should be what? Since you have 5 already, so you can say clergy should be should be 6. Then what else do you have there? Cleric should be a 7. So star 7 is what? 7 plus 1. So you can just put 1 here. Self-employed. This self-employed. They all fall under the category of 6. And the 6 here should be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 should be self-employed. All these business, self-employed, entrepreneur, they are all talking about self-employed. So business was saying so that business should be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should be 6. Only 2 was replaced. So even these 2 should be 6. Entrepreneur 2. So all of these are coded. So this blank, put it 0. Blank 0. Alright, so 0. Great, so we proceed now with the years of experience. Years of experience. One. This 2. It's 11 and above. Check it up. Should be 3. Alright. 3 here. And that is all gone. That's all gone. But the blank here, put it as 0. The blank should be 0. Okay, so we have come to this one here. Notice now, because this Google form also includes interview data. Why we say let's save the length of a version first before we begin coding is that there's tendency of when you are coding and use the very method we're using now that it can actually compromise the interview, because look at this now. See 2s. You see that? Somewhere else we see something like 2s here, and some other things like the 2s. So actually, because of the thing we applied, the coding process we applied, then maybe some things here were picked up and were taken away for us, and these 2s have been appearing here. It might be something that we removed, that we replaced, that were mentioned here. All right. So that's why you should be very, very careful with doing that. So what you do is you remove it, you remove the interview session and keep one side, or duplicate the copy of the code of the cleaned up version, and then begin the coding process. After coding, you can still have access to your data with to what has not been tampered with. So organize the work on this one. So we're going to proceed with this now. And for what we have here, we have the the 5-point Likert scale here. So we're going to do 5 times replacements. First we'll replace strongly agree. Strongly agree. No, strongly agree. In strongly agree, we replace it with what? 5. So strongly agree should be what? Should be 5. Up to strongly disagree, which is 1. So 5 here. Click replace. Everywhere it appeared, it will replace. It replaced 132 replacements out of this. So very quick and fast. Alright, so go pick another one. Note, why did we start as strongly agree? If you start with agree, what we said before will happen. It will take away agree, all the options here, and it will compromise the process. It will become difficult for you to code others. So you start with strongly agree or strongly disagree. Alright, so before you come to the individual words, so take away the compound words. Here strongly disagree is 1, as we said. So now what do we have now? Still go for disagree. Yeah, because if you go for agree, it will take away agree here to be this that remaining here. So like this. So what you put here is 2. Do this here. Then the next one can be agree. Now can I do agree? And agree to will be 4. Agree is 4. Agree is 4. And then the last thing here, close to last, is neutral. So neutral actually is the last that we are doing here. though there's something else I want to do. That's what was neutral. Neutral should be 3. There's the middle 3. Now neutral appears to be the highest among this, so that's by the way. So here we are. We have cleaned up data and coded. This is coded. Just in a very short moment after the coding. No stress. No stress. No stress. Alright, but something you need to do here is this. Know that okay, when we did a blank, we've done that. You know that there were some that we actually that had blank, right? So those ones will be taken away through what we did. We replaced blank with 0. Alright, so what do we do here? Since I've coded all of this, come here and pick all of this. There is still challenge here, like I said before, but we are going to attend to it. Just pick all of this. Pick all of this. Just only pick here to here. Just pick like this and save in a new Excel sheet, just like this. Then create new, paste here. What's okay, go back, repeat again, go down, copy on, here we are. Alright, so we have all this here. So I told you that. So you may actually close this one, save it. Understand it? Save it. Right. We have closed up the former one, so let's quickly do something right now. Here, open this again. I'm going to copy this first line because, like what I told you before, actually this heading here had been compromised by our coding process. That's find and replace. I was just to change some things in the heading, so we're going to do this now. So I'm going to replace the headings in the heading here to ensure we have everything accurate. Alright, so we'll have this here. We're going to do something now still. So we have actually finished coding. Alright, this is total coding process via SPSS. sorry, via Excel. So with this now, you are pulling up your data within a short time and a very efficient way. So thank you for being with us, and please hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification button so that you get more of things like this, strategies like this, to aid your research process. All right, thank you.